is a great way to make it fun. Is the salad fun?
Yeah.
So I have chicken kebabs and mixed bean salad. Do you have here, Liz Hannah?
Pomegranate. Mama, can I have some salad?
Yes.
Mama.
Just, you know, if you give dals every time, yeah, there's some lemon, there's some mung sprouts, there's sweet potato, yes, there's sweet potato, there's cucumber, there's tomato. So you got a mixed bean salad, and it's fun because we get the sweetness and lettuce as well. We got the sweetness from the pomegranate, you got chickpeas, you got
and then the juiciness from the lemon.
And there is lemon also, and it has juices. So this is a great way to make it fun. Is the salad fun? Yeah. To throw in a few beans, to throw in, you know, chicken kebabs are always fun. But to make children get excited about eating beans and salad and different types of, you know, they get bored with eating the same dals every day. At least these two little ones get. Now, by the way, this is not only for children. I mean, I'm going to eat this too. It's a great way to control hunger pangs, to have low carbs in your lunch or dinner. And if you're bored eating the same food, this is a great way to have a high protein, low carb, filling meal. Wow, you finished. You want more? This is a great way that children do not resist beans or vegetables. There's a lot of vegetables in this. There's cucumber, there is sweet potato, there is what else is there? Lettuce, yes. Tomato. So pomegranate. There's
and cucumber.
Yes, and there's chickpeas and black chana. So bon appetit! You've almost finished your lunch. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.